Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we are going to quickly fix this mouse. The problem is with the scroll that is drifting and also with the left click that stuck inside when pressed and then suddenly pop out. For the gamers, this A4Tech X7 mouse is the legendary one. This is very old mouse, I think 20 years old, but still the favorite one for most gamers. So we need our brush to clean the inside of the mouse, a screwdriver and a new click. These clicks are especially made for mouses, and the one I'm currently using is 50 million click. You can find them on eBay and online shops. If you're having the same problem in the same mouse, just follow what I'm doing and everything should be okay. So if you want to remove the piece easily and very cleanly, always add a bit of flux first and a bit of fresh solder. This will help removing the piece. Okay, the old broken key is out. It's time to suck those solders out. Okay, after this, we need to put the key. Be careful not to put it in the opposite direction. There is an indicator on the PCB on where you should put it. And for the scroll part, we are going to put the scroll into the potentiometer and clean the potentiometer with the cleaning sprays. The PCB sprays, just apply a bit on inside of the potentiometer and use the toothbrush while slowly moving the scroll forward and backward. This is not a permanent fix for the potentiometer, but if you do it twice, it should work for more than 6 or 8 months. Okay, all done, all clean. We are going to close it now. Okay, this part is done and ready. For the next, I'm going to open this completely and show you how it's done. There's 2 pins here that you need to pull aside. This part has 3 pins, 2 over here and 1 in the back. So I have opened all the pieces and cleaned them with the brush. It was boring and I did it off camera. So for closing them, I have to first put this back pin and then these 2. So the wire have to go through this part. So you put this right here and then connect the wire. When closing the top shell, always remember that a big pin on the back have to go through first. This one.
دیگه گیر نمیکنه.
So with this, another mouse came back to life. The click is no longer stuck inside. The scroll drift is fixed. And I thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video.